Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to interface 60 x 8 LED dot matrix with Arduino, and we will learn how to program for text animation. Let us get started. This is schematic diagram. Here I have connected 4 8 x 8 LED dot matrix with max 7219 driver. You can see here this is work on SPI protocol. So I have connected CLK pin to 13, CS pin is connected to 10, data in pin is connected to 11, and ground pin and VCC pin is connected to ground and 5 volt with Arduino Nano. I hope you understood this. Now we will see Arduino programming. I have already created here Arduino program. So you can see I have include here md underscore parola dot h library, and here md underscore max72xx dot h library and SPI library. This is message what I want to print and display, and this is effect, text effect. Every word means hello is a word, so every word will animate different effect. So here I am using more than 16 effect. This is maximum devices, here is 4, and CS pin is 10, and this is hardware type is FC16 underscore HW. This is object md underscore parola, where I have to pass hardware type, CS pin, and maximum device number. You can see here maximum device is 4, so I have written here 4. If it will increase, so we have to increase here 4 5 6. Okay, I initialized here display, and I already set the intensity, it is 0 means minimum intensity, and here I clear the display. Here you can see I am using if statement. If display animate will be high, then it will execute. So first we will see this line. This is animate line, this is text, so text will change. If I will change, then text will change. Message is hello world, welcome to white loop, like this. So it will change every time and it will print. pa underscore center means it will print on center, and this is speed to print. This is pause time, it will stay there and move. This is effect, input effect, and this is exit effect. Effect, you can see here is lot of effect, so it will change every time. And here it will check how much size of text effect, then after that it will reset again, start to 0, and after reaching maximum number, then again start to 0. Okay, so I hope you understood this code. Now I have to install this library, so go to sketch, include library, manage libraries. Here I will search md underscore okay. Okay, I will install this, install all. and again I will search md underscore max 72xx. I think this is already installed. Okay, close this. Now I will insert Arduino Nano cable. Okay, and I will select here board. Here is Arduino Nano, old bootloader, COM 19. Everything is correct, and I will upload. Wow, it's printing. Welcome. You can increase the speed and intensity of this LED. I hope you are enjoying this video. So friends, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you really like my work, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. Every library code and schematic diagram you can download from description box. I will provide their link. You can use this method in your display and in your project. So it's completed. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.